What's up, everybody? So it's been a little while since I recorded myself fishing. Life's been happening pretty fast, and I've been dealing with a lot of things. Nothing bad. Actually, everything is good. Just a lot of responsibilities happening at once. I am out here today. Peacock bass bite has started again. They're really on them. They were on me the other day, so I'm out here at my spot, and I'm hoping to replicate that on film, get some good peas, and we'll see what we can do. And just like that, I forgot how to read. Big boy, big boy. Big fish. There's that boy. I'd say he's a 5-pound fish probably. Of course, the day that I forgot my scales at home is the day I catch these hogs, but man, what a fish. His mouth is full of these parasites. If I can get a few off him. I'm pulling leeches out of his mouth, man. Right, back he's gonna go right now, back he's gonna go. Man, I need a chest cam. She's put on a show. Woo. There's Mama. Same nest as that big male we just caught. Not a bad largie, huh? Okay, it's been a few days since the last clip, and I'm at the same spot, but it's very windy today, so I don't know how good this audio is going to turn out. But we're here, we're going to see if we can catch a few more fish, and then I think we might do a tour of my boat, because the boat's fixed now. I've had it back out in the salt water and had some fun, so I'm going to get that on the channel soon, but we'll do a tour of that maybe after today's fishing. Got to be careful today, because I saw a big old alligator right here, and now he's under that bridge, so I got to be careful. But we'll see what happens. We'll have some fun. Oh no, he's foul hooked. Oh no. Oh, okay, that's fine. He was fouled. I don't know either. Like I said, easy peasy. We foul hooked that male, and he took off. He might come back. When we come back around, he might be back on the nest, but for now we got the lady. She's solid. She's probably pregnant. Let's put her back nice and easy. guys, I'm not joking. I walked about another 60 feet. Look, I started at that white sign, was the first nest. Second nest was here. Third one's right here. More peacock bass. So, let's get after them. When I'm fishing for peacock bass off a nest like this, it's pretty much the only time I use that underhand cast method. So I'm really not trying to get too far out and get it all weeded up. I'm just trying to put it in that bass's face. Usually I would pull away from a female in order to try and get the male off a nest, but honestly, these two are kind of the same size, so I don't really care. All right, one of them actually is bigger. The one in the back is bigger. That's that one. That's that one. That's the one that's bigger. Come right at me, come right at me. Oh, back off he goes. It's the male, that's a male. There he is. There he is. With the Z-Man. There's our male bee bass. Oh, I'm not letting go of him. There he goes. Alright, there he is. Big male peacock bass. Right off the nest. Beautiful fish. Let's put him back. Alright, we're gonna go for the female of the same nest because she's still sitting there. You know, sometimes they take off with their mate, but usually not, to be honest with you. Usually they'll stay, they'll hold their ground, and she'll still, usually they'll hold their ground and they'll still go for it. Kind of actually find that they go for it easier once their mate's been kind of not annihilated, I shouldn't say that, but taken away from the nest. Annihilated, Jesus. Burn it. Bounce it. Oh, she bit it. Just burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it. Stop it. Let it bounce, bounce. Oh, see, she's swiping it. There's something orange right there. What is that? See, she's smoking it, but she's spitting it right out. Or she's not trying to eat it, which they never do really. She's just trying to get it away from her nest, but yep, there she goes. Eventually they get stuck. Oh, she popped off. That's okay, they'll let her go. That's okay. Oh, this fish is back over here though, the male. He's sitting in there, in those weeds right there. So we're gonna walk out to get more like in line with his face. Toss it there. Yeah, he's gonna do it. He's gonna freaking do it. He just told me everything I needed to know. There he is. Oh my God, tell me I foul hooked him again. I did. This is the foul hook fish, huh? We're just gonna bring him in, we're just gonna bring him in. Caught him in at least, Jesus Christ. There's another big male. This is the same fish we lost. This is the first fish of the day that we hooked, but lost him. He, twice in a row I foul hooked this fish. There he goes. Well, damn, I was not recording, of course, but it's okay because it honestly wasn't that exciting. He didn't do a whole lot. He was just on the edge, and I pulled him in, but we did manage to get a big old gar. I don't know what he is exactly, a Florida gar, a spotted gar, or are they the same gar? I don't know. But he's freaking cool. He's a freak. He is a little bit intimidating though, I can't lie about that. Oh God, he's slippery as all get out. Yeah, he's slippery as hell. Let's get him up here. Look at those teeth. This is like, it's like that game. Woohoo! Woohoo! That was easy. Just gonna say I felt like I was playing that game Operation, but that was actually super easy. Okay. Stop. Okay, it's been a couple days since we caught those fish, and now let's do a quick boat tour. The boat itself is a 1999 Scout Sportfish 175, and it is powered by a 1999 Yamaha Saltwater Series 130 horsepower two-stroke. When I saw this boat, I kind of had to have it. I looked it over. It was bulletproof. The motor was bulletproof. It ran great. It still runs great. Once I saw this boat, like I said, I had to have it. It's a perfect little fishing boat for me. Let's start on the back. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 rod holders on this boat. We've got the Bimini top, which is a huge lifesaver out there on the intercoastal when that sun's really beating down on me. Let's see. We've got the twin captain seats. We've got all our controls up here for our lights, our bilge pump, our bait tank pump, battery on, off, all that stuff. Working gauges, which is great, you know, solid for a almost 25-year-old boat. Let's start over here too. I want to show that we've got the built-in cutting board. We've got the, like I said, working bait tank, which is just amazing. Love that feature there. Having that is just solid. You don't have to have that little bucket running the whole time. Over here we've got, this is just a little toolbox, and under there's my oil and battery, things like that. It's got pretty spacious, I mean, it's all filled up now with my life jackets and such, but pretty spacious center console space, and also a pretty big glove box here that's also just full of junk. I've got to organize this boat a bit better, but like I said, we're working on it. Up front here, the previous owner kept the cooler seat, which is a little frustrating, but we'll get a new one. And then we've got the big ice chest for all the fish that we are yet to catch. And then we've got up here is just our anchor, our lines, stuff like that. But yeah, I really like this boat. I really love the size of it, how deep it is, everything. It feels really safe out there. Had it inshore, outshore. It's really solid. So yeah, look forward to having this in a lot more videos, catching some big fish, and really trying to turn this channel into a big game fishing channel. So we'll get there one fish at a time. All right, it's gonna be all I got for this video, but thanks for sticking around, guys. Like I said, you can look forward to seeing this boat a lot more, because I'm really determined to get out there and find those big snook, those big jack, those big tarpon. Like, I want those big fish. We're gonna find those big fish. If it kills me, we're gonna find those big fish. Trust me, we're gonna do it. So stick around and we'll get there, guys. Thank you.